Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about create wall clock ideas to enhance your decor. If you want to add some style to your space, you are in the right place. We have got cool ideas to show you how unique wall clock can really make a difference. First, let's talk about how wall clocks can be fun. They are not just for telling times, they can also be cool decoration. Some wall clocks have shapes that are different from the usual circle, square, triangle, and a more. They can make your wall look unique. Get a vintage look. Some wall clocks look old fashioned and can give your room a classic vibe. Contact with nature. Wall clock with nature design like birds or flowers can make you feel closer to the outdoors. Go for an industrial look. Some wall clocks have gears and metals parts showing which can make your room look cool and modern. Have some fun clocks that look like toys or cute stuff can make you smile every time you check the time. Get creative. You can even make your own clock with a personal touch to make it special. Think global. Some clocks can show different times for around the world. It's great if you love to travel. Add some sprinkle. Mirrored clocks can make your room look fancy and bright. Make a big statement. Large wall clocks can be start the of your wall special if you have a big space. So there you have it, creative wall clocks idea to enhance your decor. Your room can look even better with the right clock. If you like these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Share your thoughts and let us know if you have other design topics you had like us to explore in the comments below.